Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to view the original photo in the Lightroom. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Lightroom like this. And for example here I'm gonna edit my photos. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tap on this edit first. And now I'm gonna tap on this plus icon. Now go ahead to device. Like this, I'm gonna select this one. Now tap on edit, and here for example I'm gonna edit the specific filter like this. Yeah guys, I have to hide for the exposure on this photo. So if you wanna see the original, you just have to tap and hold for a second like this, and this is what look from the original photo. Yeah guys, this is my edits and this is the original. And also here you can go to this community to see other people's original photo, and here we have to wait for a second. For example, here I'm gonna tap on this edits photo, and to see the original photo as before, you just have to tap and hold for a second like this, and this is the original of the photos. Yeah guys, so yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.